The Dyrabitick V3 Robot Vacuum excels as a versatile 3-in-1 cleaner, seamlessly handling vacuuming, sweeping, and mopping tasks to maintain a spotless home environment. Its ultra-thin design, standing at just 2.99 inches tall, allows it to effortlessly navigate under furniture and tackle thresholds and carpets up to 0.6 inches high. With an impressive 5,000 Pascal suction power and a substantial dust box, this vacuum is well equipped to handle pet hair and debris on various floor types. The 6 distinct cleaning modes, including auto, spot, edge, and zigzag cleaning, ensure a tailored cleaning experience for every room and situation. Advanced navigation and control features, such as gyro, intelligent navigation, infrared sensors, and compatibility with Alexa and Google Home, offer a user-friendly experience. A long-lasting battery supports up to 120 minutes of cleaning, making it ideal for large spaces and extended cleaning sessions.